Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add borders to your cells in Microsoft Excel. Right, so that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I have my Microsoft Excel open up here. So let's just say you want to add borders to this. In our previous tutorial, I'll show you how you can merge your cell. So I'll leave the link to that video in the description if you want to check it out. But in this, let's say you want to add these cells that you just merge here, these cells. So now to do that, just select the cell that you would like to add borders to, and then make sure you come here. You see this? You have that border. You now click on this option, so you have all these options, right? You can click the type, the line type that you want. Let's say you want to use this, right? And then you have this pen. Look at that pen right there. So now just come to the line and then left click, and then as you can see, we have added that. You can do that up there and then just click right there, right? And then the same, left click, and then just click on your mouse, left click on your mouse, and then as you can see, we have added those borders right there. Now you can change the color if you want to of them. Then let's say you wanted to use the border color, sorry, come to your border and then the line color. You'll see you can choose whatever color you want. So get that, and then make sure you have that pen, and then just come to the line, and then as you can see, you have that. You can change the color right there. Just click on that, and then you can give it whatever color you want. So yeah, that's how you can add borders to your cells in Microsoft Excel. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.